Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Busted Grill Garage. We're in the new Busted Grill Garage today. I think it's time to christen this place. We've got a 5.3 sitting here. I think it's time to get this thing torn down. Hey everyone, if you liked that stop motion video, it's kind of my first of hopefully many stop motion videos. Now that my shop looks like a 5.3 threw up all over it. Anyway, if you like that stop motion video, like, comment, please consider subscribing to the channel. I truly do appreciate it. But I'm gonna shut this one down here. Here pretty soon. I'm gonna finish getting this block stripped down and get it sent off to the machine shop, and we're gonna turn it into something pretty cool. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I appreciate you.